Welcome, Marshall Goldsmith Coaching 11, The Power of Daily Discipline. Sometimes the hardest part of leadership isn't knowing what to do, it's doing it every single day. Even the best action plan fails if it isn't backed by a daily discipline. Today we're looking at the Marshall Goldsmith Daily Questions, a simple 5-minute evening ritual that helps the world's top CEOs maintain alignment, focus and delegation in a high-pressure environment. I'm Michael Beale, and I specialize in one-to-one NLP training and CEO leadership coaching. This may sound counterintuitive to some, but I found it really works. The power of, did I do my best? The magic of this framework is that we don't just ask if we've achieved our goal, we've asked if we've tried our best. This shifts the focus from external results to internal effort. Every evening you rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 10 on questions like. Now, the actual questions need to fit what you want to achieve. So these are examples. Did I do my best to set one or two clear outcomes for the day? Did I do my best to follow my daily routines? Did I do my best to find meaning in my work? Did I do my best to add value to my stakeholders? In my one-to-one coaching, we customize these questions to fit your specific levers. If your outcome is better delegation, we may add a question. Did I do my best to empower my direct reports today? If it's a strategic alignment, we ask, did I do my best to stay focused on our long-term objectives? Why it works. These questions act as a daily check-in that we're using our resources of time, energy, and focus effectively. By reviewing your performance every night, you are programming your brain to look for opportunities to lead more effectively the next day, instead of being blown off course. The results. Executive maintenance. Think of this as executive maintenance. It takes less than five minutes a day, but the cumulative effect on your leadership, your team's performance, and your own energy levels is massive. It's the bridge between a one-time change and a lifetime of excellence. My call to action. If you're aligned and want to find out more, please book a Zoom session in my diary or watch the next video. As always, thank you for your attention.